In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Scheels customer support. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser, and then we need to head to scheels.com. It's the official website for Scheels. And now once we're here, we want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then we've got in the website's footer, we've got company, customer, store policies. Under customer service, you want to click on contact us. So it depends how you want to contact Scheels. They've got a few different options here. So now let's scroll down again. So you still need assistance. So we can email them or call them. So it's just up to you, matter of preference, how you would like to contact Scheels customer service. If you like to email them, I'm just going to click on email us, and you're going to come to this form here. So with your email, jot down your email, your name, phone number, topic, and then please provide details that may help us assist you, and then click I'm not a robot, send email. If you want to call them, click on call us, and they got a few numbers here, so you can call this number here, or you can find a Scheels store. So questions regarding a Scheels store purchase, or other inquiries, click find a store to call, and then it'll take you to store location. So just click what store you want to contact. So if it's Arizona, click on Arizona and find your store.